Another day, another book summary. Welcome back to Page Turner's Book Cafe. Welcome to another exciting episode of Page Turner's Book Cafe. Today, we have a financial adventure in store for you. Get ready to take a random walk down Wall Street with us. In just a moment, we'll uncover the secrets of investing, debunk myths, and learn valuable lessons from the classic book by Burton Malkiel, A Random Walk Down Wall Street. So settle in as we embark on this exhilarating journey of wealth and wisdom. Welcome back, fellow bookworms. Today, we're diving into the world of investing and understanding the markets through the eyes of Burton Malkiel. His book, A Random Walk Down Wall Street, has become a cornerstone for anyone seeking financial success. So, without further ado, let's begin our captivating summary of this must-read book. Chapter 1, Firm Foundations and Castles in the Air. Every journey needs a solid foundation, and the world of finance is no exception. In this chapter, Malkiel introduces us to the different investment approaches. He compares traditional investing strategies, like analyzing individual stocks and predicting market trends, to the idea of castles in the air. We'll learn that successful investing requires a sturdy foundation built on sound principles rather than chasing fleeting dreams. Chapter 2, The Madness of Crowds. Have you ever wondered why the stock market sometimes behaves like a roller coaster? In this chapter, Malkiel explores the concept of market bubbles and the influence of crowd behavior on stock prices. We'll delve into the infamous tulip mania, the dot-com bubble, and even the recent cryptocurrency frenzy. Through engaging stories and historical anecdotes, we'll understand the importance of not getting swept up in the madness and making rational decisions. Chapter 3, Stock Valuation and Market Efficiency. Valuing stocks can be a perplexing task, but fear not, dear viewers. Malkiel sheds light on the various methods used to determine the intrinsic value of a company's stock. Additionally, he introduces the concept of market efficiency, explaining how it affects stock prices. We'll discover why trying to outsmart the market consistently is akin to finding a needle in a haystack. Chapter 4, Technical and Fundamental Analysis. Here, we encounter two popular investment strategies, technical and fundamental analysis. Malkiel walks us through the techniques used by practitioners of each strategy, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. We'll witness how technical analysis relies on charts and patterns, while fundamental analysis delves into a company's financial health and economic factors. By the end of this chapter, we'll gain insights into the limitations of these approaches and the importance of a balanced investment strategy. Chapter 5, A Penny Saved is Prudence. Time to embrace the concept of saving and creating a solid financial plan. Malkiel emphasizes the significance of budgeting, setting goals, and making smart financial decisions. We'll explore strategies for building an emergency fund, paying off debt, and investing wisely. Through relatable examples and practical advice, we'll see the positive impact of prudence on our financial well-being. Chapter 6, A Simple Portfolio for the Long Run. The key to successful investing lies in building a diversified and low-cost portfolio. In this chapter, Malkiel provides a step-by-step guide to constructing a robust investment portfolio that can weather market storms. We'll explore asset allocation, the benefits of index funds, and the power of compounding. With Malkiel as our guide, we'll navigate the intricacies of the financial landscape with confidence. Chapter 7, You Can't Beat the Market. In this chapter, Malkiel challenges the notion of consistently beating the market. He introduces the concept of the efficient market hypothesis, which suggests that stock prices reflect all available information, making it nearly impossible to consistently outperform the market. Through thought-provoking examples and empirical evidence, we'll explore the difficulties faced by active investors and the benefits of a passive investment approach. Chapter 8, The Great Delusions. Prepare to have your perceptions shattered as Malkiel exposes common investment delusions and misconceptions. From the belief in market timing to the allure of hot stock tips and market gurus, we'll examine the pitfalls of relying on false promises. Armed with facts and data, we'll uncover the truth behind these delusions and learn to approach investing with a rational mindset. Chapter 9: Red Flags and Red Herrings. Scams, frauds, and unethical practices are unfortunately prevalent in the financial world. In this chapter, Malkiel reveals red flags and red herrings that investors should be aware of. We'll learn how to spot warning signs of fraudulent schemes, deceptive practices, and overly optimistic claims. By sharpening our critical thinking skills, we'll navigate the investment landscape more safely and protect ourselves from potential financial harm. Chapter 10: A Practical Guide to Random Walk Investing. Time to put our newfound knowledge into action. Malkiel provides a practical guide to implementing a random walk investing strategy. We'll explore asset allocation, diversification, and rebalancing techniques to create a well-rounded portfolio. With step-by-step instructions and helpful tips, we'll be empowered to make informed investment decisions and build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Chapter 11: A Fitness Manual for Random Walkers. Just as physical fitness requires regular exercise, our financial well-being also demands attention and maintenance. In this chapter, Malkiel presents a financial fitness manual for random walkers. We'll delve into the importance of periodic portfolio checkups, tax efficiency, and risk management. By following these guidelines, we'll ensure that our investments remain healthy and aligned with our goals. Chapter 12: Epilogue: Reflections on the Random Walk. As our journey comes to a close, Malkiel leaves us with his final reflections on the random walk theory and its implications for investors. We'll reflect on the lessons learned throughout the book and consider the long-term benefits of a disciplined investment approach. This concluding chapter will inspire us to embrace a lifetime of financial learning and make confident decisions in the ever-changing world of investing. And there you have it, my friends. We've reached the end of our captivating summary of a random walk down Wall Street. What an incredible adventure it has been, filled with valuable insights and practical wisdom. Remember to join us for the next episode of Page Turner's Book Cafe, where we'll embark on yet another thrilling literary journey. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition through the world of finance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest episodes of Page Turner's Book Cafe. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating realm of literature and may your financial walks be random and prosperous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.